Here is the working screen. This screen will be the screen that is up when you are mowing your field. There are multiple ways of raising and lowering your mowers while you are working in the field. You can either select the icon to raise and lower. Here is for the front mower. One touch and it raises it. Then if we hit it again, one touch, it will lower it. You can also program it into your multi-function joystick. So on this machine, we have F1 programmed for the front mower and F2 for the rear mowers. It's as easy as one click of the joystick to raise and lower your front and rear mowers.